Hey everyone, this is Lexi with Code Confetti, and today I'm going to show you how to install this free landing page on your WordPress website. So this design is completely free for you to install and customize for your use, and it's really easy to install, but there are two requirements. And the first requirement is you must have a self-hosted WordPress website. And then the second requirement is you're going to need to download and install a free plugin called Kadence Blocks. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm heading over to the back end of a fresh WordPress website that I set up, and I'm going to first in the sidebar hover over Appearance and Themes. Now, this is not one of the requirements, it is optional, but I do just want to let you know I am using the Kadence theme for this website. And because the landing page is built on Kadence, it works the best when you're using the Kadence theme. However, that's not a complete requirement. So you can use this landing page even if you're using a completely different theme. And I will hop over and show you what my website looks like on the front end. So it's completely blank and I have no content whatsoever. So back in the back end of my website, I'm going to hover over plugins in the sidebar and we'll click Add New Plugin. And in the search bar, we're going to type in Kadence Blocks. And then this first option that appears, Gutenberg Blocks by Kadence, and it's by Kadence WP. This is what we want to install. And then once it installs, we want to click Activate. All right, so now we're going to hover over Pages, and we're going to click Add New Page. Okay, so I'm going to give this a title of landing page, and you can name yours whatever you would like to. So because we installed that free plugin, Kadence Blocks, we see this design library button at the top. So we're going to click on that, and we are going to, if you don't see this connection little box right here, you want to click on this plus sign, and we're going to connect to the Code Confetti Cloud library. So the connection URL and the access key, those are both written in the email that you received when you signed up for this free landing page. So just grab those and copy and paste them into these two fields and click Add Connection. Okay, so now we've added the free library. You'll see this little Code Confetti library appears. We'll click on that. And then we see our thumbnail immediately for our free landing page. So I'll just click on it. And boom, it's already added to our page just like that. So you can scroll through here and you will notice that there's a few things that are a little bit off about it because everyone's going to need to tweak this page slightly to match their color scheme on their website, and you might want to add your own fonts and styles to this. Definitely want to lighten up the background of this block so we can see things. But as I scroll up, things look pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and press Publish. And then we're going to take a look at this on the front end. Okay, so here is our page on the front end, and we do see there's a couple of problems with it. So we're not supposed to have our nav visible on this landing page, and we're not supposed to have the page title either. Then there's kind of some weird spacing here. And as we scroll down, everything looks pretty good. There's a little weird spacing. So this is there's a slight background color, so it doesn't look perfectly white. So we'll adjust that. Again, we'll adjust the color of this box as well. And then, yep, we also want to hide our footer, and there's some weird spacing stuff going on down here as well. So this is where, depending on your theme, it might take you digging in a little bit to figure out how to make these adjustments. But when you're using the Kadence theme, it's really simple. So I'm going to click Edit Page up here at the top of my screen. And this is taking me back into my new landing page. And because I'm using Kadence theme, I have this page settings option right here. So I'm going to click on this. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Disable for page title. The next thing I'm going to do for my content style, instead of having it as default, I'm going to click Unboxed. And then content vertical padding, I'm going to disable this completely. And I'm also going to disable my header and my footer. And just remember, these settings are only here if you're using the Kadence theme. So I'm going to go ahead and update my page. And then this time I'll do it this way, so it opens in a new tab. But immediately we can see that that took care of our issues, so we no longer have our main navigation. We don't have any of that weird page title or spacing at the top, and as I'm scrolling down the website, everything looks pretty good, and when I get to the bottom, I no longer have my footer or the weird spacing on the bottom. So let me just briefly hop into this page one more time, and I'll just show you how to change a couple of these things, like the font color and the background of this box right here. So I'm going to go back and click on this settings right here, and this opens my page in block settings, and I'm going to be in the block settings, but I need to click on a block in order to edit anything. So let's scroll down to this section right here, because we do want to change the background of this little section. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on the Style tab, and here is background color, and I'm just going to choose a lighter color for right now. This is not maybe one of my brand colors, but at least now we can see things, so that's good. And then right here, I'm going to click on this countdown option, and in the block settings over here, I'm going to pick a date that's not in the past, but is in the future. So I'll click November 29th, and I'll click Update. Click it again. There we go. And when I refresh my page, you can see our changes have been made. So this is how easy it is to download, install, and start tweaking this page to fit your needs. And if you don't have a WordPress website yet, I highly recommend the Kadence theme. It is free, although there's also a premium version that comes with even more features. But I have a website, codeconfetti.com, and I sell WordPress themes that are built on Kadence. So I definitely encourage you to check that out, and you can purchase these themes through Etsy, and they're already done for you. All you have to do is add your own content to the websites. So that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you can create something really awesome with this free landing page design. And until next time, best of luck with your WordPress website.